Welcome to today's episode of Agri Current Affairs by Clarity for Sure, where we dive into the latest development shaping the future of farming. Today we are talking about a game-changing announcement from India's agricultural sector, the setup of 5 new modern seed breeding centers, also called speed breeding facilities. This initiative is led by ICAR and Department of Agricultural Research and Education, DARE, aims to transform crop development for the future. Let's break down this news step by step. As of September 2025, ICAR announced plans for 5 new centers, adding to 2 already operational ones. By this year, India will have 7 speed breeding centers. This is a part of National Mission on High-Yielding Seeds highlighted in the recent Union Budget, which has already released over 100 new crop varieties since July 2024. The goal behind this is develop the seeds that are high-yielding, disease-resistant, and climate-resilient, like for the drought and flood tolerance. The proposed location to set up these facilities are CICR Nagpur for cotton, IIRR Hyderabad for rice, IARI New Delhi for multiple crops, IIAB Ranchi for agriculture biotechnology, and IIMR Ludhiana for maize. So how speed breeding works? Unlike traditional breeding, which it relies on open field conditions and takes around 6 to 8 years for developing new varieties, which is still limited by seasons, weathers, and pests, in speed breeding technology, control environment chambers like LED lights, temperature, and humidity control are given to stimulate up to 22 hours of daylight, which enable 4 to 6 crop generations per year, cutting the breeding time to around 2 to 3 years, and using the advanced tools like CRISPR gene editing and AI optimized light spectra. In short, it's plant breeding on steroids, faster, precise, and scalable. Why it matters? Because agriculture employs 46% of India's workforce and contributes to around 16% to GDP, but still faces major challenges like climate change, pest diseases, and growing population demanding more food. For this, speed breeding can help in delivering climate-smart varieties faster, reduce the dependency on the imports, and increase the yield and farmers' income. Let's say wheat rust diseases reduces the yield to up to 3 tons per hectare. While if we use speed breeding technology here, we can deliver rust-resistant varieties, increasing the yield by 15%, potentially saving $500 million annually. Along with these opportunities, the challenges are also ahead. There is a need for community seed banks to preserve indigenous varieties, address the counterfeit seed issues, and infrastructure and training for the farmers. Overall, this initiative is a step towards the Viksit Bharat by 2047, a self-reliant, climate-smart agriculture system.